Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlung.com. Pretty much every day I record myself doing the daily target on CSS Battle.dev. And today, let's use the nested template on this particular interesting shape. I think this is pretty regular, and I think I can use a conic gradient, and let's go ahead and try to do that. So this is going to be, well, in this case, I'm going to do a repeating conic gradient, repeating conic gradient. And that's going to be what? It's going to be this red 0, 25%. Because I'm using the repeating, I need to do fully specify all the color stops. That's how you get that. Put it in the upper corner, 0, 0. And actually, I only need this single 0 and then a width, 100 pixels. And that's how you get that kind of repeat. So let's fix the margins. I think it's going to be what, 0, minus 8 on the top. And then on the sides, 10, 20, 30, 40, 35, 36, 37. That seems right-ish. So now we need an at value. We're going to move the center of that conic gradient over and down. 40 pixels, 70 pixels, maybe. Well, that's long. That doesn't look right. So we need to make them taller. And to make it taller, you increase that number. How about 200? How about 210, 20? I'm just eyeballing it now. And then a little further, 5, 6. That's kind of getting it. I like that. So so 220 down is correct. I don't think, I think this needs to be over more. 80? That sure is looking right. And then let's increase the width of this to 110 or 120. There we go, 120. Oh, look at that. So this is a little irregular. So that's a problem. That is a problem. So this width is a little different. So let's use the diff tool and see if we can 115. 115 is correct. There we go. And let's submit. Now, in that diff there, you can see those little lines. That's the conic gradient being a little bit wonky in the rendering. Maybe that's just Safari. That might be endemic. I definitely see that kind of odd thing, but we got to 100%, so we're done. We did it. Let's minify, unit replace, and that's a nice solution to this particular puzzle. It's all rectangles. You could do elements. You could do box shadows. So many choices. No wrong way to do it. Just have fun with it. That's what I always say. Uh, and that's it. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Go make a web page. Put some of this CSS knowledge onto a web page. Go for it. I fully encourage you to make that web page. And I'll see you again sometime or not. That's fine. You don't have to like. You don't have to subscribe. Unlike everybody else, that's okay. I hope you liked the video though. Okay, bye.